Printing and porting Facebook Messenger, the conversation is a good idea to ensure you always have a copy to have as backup in case those conversations get deleted. Regarding this, of your reason, it is possible to print your Facebook Messenger messages, but it does require this software, how to save and print your Facebook messages with Backup Trans, Facebook Messages, transfer software. Today I will show you how to print Facebook messages on your computer. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating an easy way to print your Facebook messages. In this method, I'll be using the Backup Trans, Facebook Messages transfer software. Now time to run the program and connect the Android phone to the computer. You just need to enable the USB debugging on your Android and connect to the computer. Next, click the contact name to open the entire Facebook conversation associated with that contact. You can now click the print button to print all the Facebook messages along with attachments. Check if the conversation to print is correct. And final step, click to the print option. Save the file in PDF on your computer. Type the file name and click the Save option. Second step. If you need to print the specific conversation, select the conversation. Right-click on your mouse. Click the Print Selected Messages option. Check the conversation to print is correct. Click the print icon. Save the file on your computer. Click the Save option.
Thanks for watching. If you like the tutorial, please follow me on Facebook and visit my website.